Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can have these retro effects for your video on CapCut. So first, just add your clip to CapCut and then just go to filter, find the movies category and then select the green orange filter, this one. Then adjust the intensity into around 70 and go to adjust and use this setting. So for the contrast, increase it to 5 and then fade, click on the fade and increase it to 10, and lastly go to grain and increase it to 5. Okay, and now you are done. Just click on a check icon, then you'll have that retro effects for your clips. Okay everyone, so that's all for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks or like this video and also subscribe for more content. Bye.